As an authentic African girl, it is very important for you to know your tradition and culture. In this video, I'm basically in the village. So I came all the way to the village to pay a visit to some of my relatives, guys. So join me as we explore this village together. So, wow. Hi guys, my name is Jojo Banek and I would like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel, guys. Thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video. You guys are the best. Guys, if you come across this video for the first time, do me a favor to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit on the notification button so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I post a video. For the returning subscribers, thank you guys. You guys are the best. Love you all. Please keep watching this video till the end. So this is my life presently in the village and I'm having the best time of my life with my people. They were so happy to see me after a long while. It's been more than 2 years that I haven't come to this place. So I'm so happy to be back here having the best time with them. I remember the good old days that we used to run around this village, just like these kids you see around here, playing around, you know, cooking together, having the best time of my life, guys. So I'm currently here and I would like you guys to join me. Let's explore this village together. Guys, if you find this video interesting, let me know your feedback on the comment section and I'm eager to hear from you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep watching this video to the end. Guys, join me as we prepare our authentic African delicacy for breakfast. Come on, come with me. Sanu mama, yawa nakwana. Afia sanu, yawa. Guys, this is local beans. We call it dawa. Oh. Resume the pot there. This is one of our authentic delicacy, African traditional meal. Give me a seat now. No. Yeah. Oh. This is pap. Yeah. We're getting ready for breakfast in the village. Yeah. Yes. That. This is what we eat with. It's sunny here, and we're just preparing breakfast, guys. And it's sunny. Sun is already out. This is Nigeria, you know, where we have sun all around the year. Our soup is ready, guys. This is kubewa. Kubewa is from okra. This is our okra soup, delicacy meal. So it is ready to be served. So guys, this is how we eat as family in a typical African way. African tradition, this is how we gather to eat in the morning. We're having breakfast now. This is how we gather to eat our breakfast in the morning. When we're having lunch, the same thing. Even dinner time, we have dinner together. So we do everything as one family. We gather together to eat together, share love, share story. This is how we live in the village. Basically, I'm in the village spending time with some of my relatives now. So guys, I'm eating corn meal. This is corn meal with yakwa. We call it tuwo masara. We call it tuwo masara damia yakwa in the village. This is African way of eating. This is traditional way of eating. African authentic traditional way of eating. So I'm eating my own now. I'm almost done eating. This is tuwo masara damia yakwa. So guys, come join me. Let's enjoy this delicacy. Let's enjoy this typical, authentic African way of eating. We're eating as one family. We share love, we share laughter. This is the best way. This is a healthy way to live. This is a healthy way to live. You know, all these things you see here is organic way of eating. So guys, can you, mama? I just finished having my meal. I just finished having my breakfast with my family. Came to the village yesterday to spend some time with my lovely relative. Guys, I remember back in the days when I used to live in the village, we used to play around all this scenery. We used to play around this environment, sitting under the tree, taking fresh air. The best life, to me, the best life is in the village, guys. I miss all of this fun. I was so good to be back here, and I'm having fun, you know, sitting right under the tree, receiving fresh air. I've missed this so much. Oh. This is our sustainable way of life. We rear animals. We rear domestic animals in the house. I love the nature. I love the best life is the village life. You know, where you have the best life is the village life, the fresh air, the gift of nature. You have a lot of trees. You sit under the tree to have fun with kids. You know, go to the farm and come back, go to the stream to fetch water, cook together this way in a local way. You know, this is how we enjoy our local food. This is how we enjoy our local food. Look at the local food. This is how we enjoy our local soup. Here, this is authentic African way of cooking. All this food you see here is organic. All this food you see here is organic and is the best way of eating. It is good for our health, guys. So keep watching this video to the end. And if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and hit on the notification button. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit on the notification button so that you get notified whenever I posted a video. Guys, please share this video, leave a comment, like, let me know how you feel about this video. If you find this video useful, let me know on the comment section, guys. Thank you guys for watching and have a lovely day. So we're preparing to go to the farm now. So let me go and get my hose and other farm tubes to go to the farm. Bye.